Today, we learn about the daring escape from slavery and remarkable life of Robert Smalls. Smalls had been conscripted by the Confederacy to serve as a crewman aboard the armed steamship, the CSS Planter. One night, the white captain and officers left the ship while docked in Charleston. Smalls, an expert sailor, disguised himself as the captain, cleverly raised the Confederate and South Carolina flags, picked up his wife and children, sailed out of the harbor, and raised a white flag of surrender as he approached the Union ships blockading the harbor, flashing the required signals to the Confederate forts that would ensure the Planter's safe passage. Afterward, his expert knowledge of the South Carolina coast came in handy as he piloted the Planter again, this time for the Union. After the war, Smalls continued his service to the country, serving as a general in the South Carolina militia, publishing a newspaper, and founding a school for African American children. He would later serve in the South Carolina State Assembly and Senate, and in the U.S. House of Representatives, despite persistent racism, violence, and intimidation of African American voters. This has been 60 Second Civics, a podcast of the Center for Civic Education.